What's up, homie? This is Leon. If you're running franchise stores, don't miss the sign I will introduce today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news about us. Let's go! This is our manual board light box, perfect for displaying your price list. Ultra narrow bezel, only 16mm, making the content of the light box more prominent. Easy to change the poster, various installation methods. Imagine hanging such a light box, how convenient will it be for you. You don't need to introduce repeatedly, help you speed up their order placement. To be honest, every caterer should have at least one light box like this. 15 years experience, various successful cases for reference, pursuing quality first, providing a complete industrial production chain with high efficiency, stable production, and the best after-sales guarantee. If you haven't already subscribed to LCSIGN channel, hit the button right now. If you have any ideas about making a sign, contact us now. See you next time.